Welcome back, children. I hope you all are great. So, children, in today's session, we will discuss the third chapter of English literature, that is Holi in the Jungle. Alright? So, children, we all know that Holi is the festival of colors, right? Now, let's start with our chapter. Children, look at the picture given to you. You will see few wild animals, right? Below that, a hell box is given to you in which names of animals are given which are shown in the picture. Okay? That is tiger, elephant, peacock, hippo and monkey. Alright? Then below that, questions are asked to you and you have to choose the right animal from the box. So let's start with our first question, that is, which animal has big ears? Yes, look into the picture. Which animal has big ears? Yes, it is elephant. So write elephant in the first blank. Come to the second one, that is, which animal has stripes? Yes, which animal is having stripes? It is the tiger. So write tiger in the second blank. Third one is, which animal is swinging from the tree? Yes, it is monkey. Very good. So write monkey in the third blank. Which animal is in the river? See which animal is there in the river? It is hippo. Write hippo in the fourth blank. Then come to the last one, that is, which animal has beautiful feathers? Yes, which animal has beautiful feathers? It is peacock. So write peacock in the last blank. Children, this is the picture of solved exercise. You can match your answers from this. First one is elephant, second is tiger, third one is monkey, fourth one is hippo, and the fifth one is peacock. Alright. Now, let's start reading the chapter. Come to page number 25. So, Foxy the fox was singing. Let us play Holi, let us play Holi, let us play a trick on Holi. Fine? So children, there is a fox whose name is Foxy and she is singing a song. Fine? Then Bhima the bear saw Foxy put shoe polish and red paint into a box. He saw Foxy put in banana peels and some mud too. Bhima did not like this. So, the name of the bear is Bhima. He saw Foxy putting shoe polish and red paint into a box. Moreover, he saw Foxy putting banana peels and some mud also in the box. And after seeing this, Bhima did not like this at all. Fine. Now read the next paragraph. Foxy asked Bhima to help him carry the box. They stopped under a tree. Bhima quietly threw away everything that was there in the box. Then he put flowers and leaves into the box. So children, then Foxy asked Bhima to help her out in carrying the box full of all the stuff which she had packed for playing Holi. Then, while going, they stopped under a tree. As you know that Bhima not at all liked whatever she packed for playing Holi. So, what did he do? He quietly threw away everything that was there in the box. And what else he put back in the box instead of that? He put flowers and leaves into the box. Alright? Now come to the next page, that is page number 26. So, they came to the middle of the jungle. Foxy began to sing, "Come, come, everyone, let us play Holi, let us have fun." So, later on, they again started walking and came to the middle of the jungle. And Foxy began to sing the song. Now, read the next paragraph. Rabbits, bears, elephants, monkeys, and deer came running. Foxy opened the box. He found flowers and leaves. All the animals clapped and danced. Foxy was puzzled. Bhima smiled. They played Holi with flowers and leaves. Holi was so much fun. So, children, who came running? Rabbits, bears, elephants, monkeys, and deer came running. Then what did Foxy do? She opened the box. After opening it, she found that there were flowers and leaves inside it instead of all those things which she had put in it for playing Holi. Alright? So all the animals were joyful to see the flowers and leaves, and they started clapping and dancing. Then, on seeing all this, Foxy got really confused. Then, what did Bhima do? Bhima smiled. Everyone played Holi with flowers and leaves, and the festival of Holi became so much fun for them, right? So, children, what do you learn from this chapter? We learn that we should avoid using those things just for our fun which can badly harm someone. Like Foxy decided to use banana peels, mud, shoe polish, and paint in Holi just for her fun. All these things could have harmed the other animals of the jungle. But Bhima smartly avoided this situation by changing the material with flowers and leaves. So, children, I hope you understood and enjoyed this story. Thank you. God bless you.